Receiving instant payouts with Stripes is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, go to the webpage support.stripe.com. Now let's see the process of initiating an instant payout. Then, in order to do this, you must follow these instructions. Here, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Then, go to Balance Payouts. Now you have to click on Payout Funds Instantly. Next step is to enter the amount that you need to pay out. So, select the debit card or bank account to which you want to transfer the funds. Here, in case you do not have an eligible debit card or bank account, then you may enter your Visa or MasterCard debit card number. Then last step is to click on the button Payout. Doing so will complete the process of this instant payout. So, these instant payout funds will appear in the associated bank account within 30 minutes. Hence, these are the stepwise instructions following which you can receive instant payouts with Stripe.